Hi, Instagram and YouTube subscribers. I have seen many people are pinging me regarding the upskilling programs from me. Okay, due to such reasons, I have stopped all those upskilling programs. And I'm here to share that I have seen many students are not getting upskilling. I have seen 2025 batch and 2026 batch. Around I have connected with 2000 plus students or 3000 plus 2000 to 3000 plus students across India. But I have seen most of the students are unemployed. Wherever I go, I observe that they are not following the correct procedure to apply for an interview or to apply for any job opportunity. One thing is they are not maintaining their resumes properly. They are not maintaining their portfolios properly. So I'm here to share with you all regarding how to create your own portfolio. Okay, so we will be having one session. Okay, now I will share you my own portfolio, how I have done it and how I have deployed it and where we can deploy it for free and how to optimize it. Okay, if I search my name in the Google Chrome, then directly you will get my page. Okay, so this is how we will build the portfolios. So nowadays the recruiters are so busy with their tasks, so they need to hire the candidates very soon and they need to uh, check about the candidate skill set and everything very soon. So you need to mention all details in your portfolio. See, and I have mentioned about me, I have mentioned my experience, I have mentioned my skill set, projects, teaching, where I taught many students, everything I have mentioned here. So contact details also you need to give here and your LinkedIn. If you click on LinkedIn, it should open your LinkedIn page. Okay. If you are clicking on hacker rank, it should show the hacker rank how many rankings are your portfolio in HackerRank, and in GitHub, how many projects you have did in GitHub, everything it should be there, and lead code, everything, how many questions you have solved here, it should be present. So if you are maintaining like this one portfolio, that would be very, very useful to all of you, because I have got many messages like once again start the YouTube channel and once again start the Instagram for uh, upskilling the students. Okay, but due to such reasons, I won't be sharing all the details over Instagram or YouTube. So if you want to know regarding all these details, you please consult me one-to-one sessions. Okay, I have already mentioned everything in my portfolio. For one-to-one session, you can directly call me over the phone number. So the next batch will be starting from August 16th. Okay, from August 16th, I will be starting the next batch. How to create their own resumes, how to create their own portfolios. From step by step, I will tell you from scratch. Okay, from scratch, we will learn the development of any application, or else we will develop your own portfolio and we will deploy in the version, and this is in production. Okay, if you want the code for this, I will share you once you join my one-to-one sessions. Okay, so the course start at August 16 and the course duration will be 1 month. Okay, 1 month daily from 7 to 9 you will be having the classes, and the price is very cheaper compared to all the institutions. It's just 499. Okay, thank you very much everyone, and if you want to know details about this, you can directly call me, and or else you can directly message me in WhatsApp. Thank you.